When it comes to home upgrades that provide lasting value, few investments are as beneficial as installing impact windows, especially in a place like Miami. While they may seem like a significant upfront expense, Miami impact windows can lead to substantial long-term savings across multiple areas: energy efficiency, storm damage prevention, insurance costs, and property value. Let's break down exactly how these windows work in your financial favor over time. Lower energy bills through superior insulation. One of the most noticeable ways impact windows save you money is through reduced energy consumption. Miami's year-round heat demands constant air conditioning, which drives up energy bills. Impact windows are built with multiple layers of laminated glass and advanced sealing technologies that minimize heat transfer. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, meaning your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to keep your home cool. Over time, this translates into significantly lower monthly utility bills. In fact, many homeowners report energy savings of up to 30% annually after switching to impact windows. That kind of savings adds up fast, making the windows more than worth their initial cost. Protection against hurricane damage. Miami is no stranger to hurricanes and tropical storms. Standard windows can shatter during high winds or flying debris, exposing your home's interior to water, wind, and even structural damage. Impact windows, on the other hand, are designed to withstand strong winds and impacts from debris, providing a nearly impenetrable barrier during storms. Avoiding damage means avoiding expensive repairs. Even one storm-related incident can cost thousands in window replacement, water damage remediation, and interior restoration. By installing impact windows, you dramatically reduce this financial risk, giving you peace of mind and real-world savings. Reduced homeowners insurance premium. Many insurance providers offer significant discounts on homeowners insurance for properties equipped with hurricane-rated impact windows. These windows reduce the risk of storm-related claims, and insurance companies reward that proactive protection. Depending on your provider and policy, you could see savings of up to 20% on your annual premium. Multiply that by the number of years you own your home, and the insurance discount alone can cover a large portion of your investment in impact windows. Increased property value and market appeal. Installing impact windows is a strong selling point in the competitive Miami real estate market. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that are already equipped with safety and energy-efficient upgrades. In fact, homes with impact windows often sell faster and at higher prices than similar homes without them. This increase in property value can be especially beneficial if you plan to refinance or sell your home in the future. It's an investment that not only pays you back while you live in the home but also boosts your return when you move on. Year-round noise reduction and UV protection. Beyond monetary savings, impact windows add comfort and protection in ways that indirectly reduce costs. Their design helps block outside noise, important in busy Miami neighborhoods, and they also filter out harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Preserving your interior furnishings helps delay the need for costly replacements. Final thoughts. A smart long-term investment. While the upfront cost of Miami impact windows might seem daunting, the long-term financial benefits are clear. From lower energy bills and insurance premiums to protection from costly storm damage and increased property value, these windows pay for themselves over time. They're not just a home improvement, they're a smart investment in your future. If you're considering upgrading your home, don't just think about today's expenses, think about tomorrow's savings. Impact windows in Miami are one of the smartest, most cost-effective ways to protect your home, save money, and add lasting value.